Imagine walking down the street and your backpack turns heads before you even say a word. LED backpacks are no longer just futuristic gadgets. They are bold fashion statements, creative outlets, and practical everyday gear. Today, we are counting down the 5 best LED backpacks that blend innovation with function. Stay with us to discover which one truly deserves the number 1 spot. Number 5. Sacamain LED Backpack. The Sacamain Portable LED Backpack brings a fresh and exciting twist to everyday carry. This is not just a backpack. It is a moving digital canvas that lets you showcase your personality wherever you go. With its updated 2024 Bluetooth version, you get a full-color LED display that can turn simple designs into vibrant, eye-catching visuals. Getting started is surprisingly simple. You connect the backpack to a power bank, download the mobile application, and link it through wireless connection. Within moments, you can upload text, images, or even animated graphics. Whether you want to display a funny message, stylish artwork, or something completely unique, the process feels as easy as sending a message on your phone. The customization options are where this backpack truly shines. You can create graffiti-style visuals, share personal expressions, or even animate your favorite designs. It turns your backpack into a dynamic extension of your creativity. Beyond its visual appeal, it is built for everyday use. With a generous storage capacity ranging from 20 to 35 liters, it can easily carry a laptop, books, and daily essentials. The waterproof design keeps your belongings protected during unexpected weather, while the durable build ensures it holds up over time. This backpack strikes a strong balance between creativity and practicality. It is perfect for students, commuters, or anyone who wants to stand out while staying organized. Number 4. CRELANDER LED Night Backpack. The CRELANDER LED Night Backpack is designed for those who want both bold visuals and serious functionality. At its core is a programmable 48 by 48 full-color LED display that allows you to showcase text, images, and animations with impressive clarity. Whether you want something playful or something attention-grabbing, this backpack gives you complete creative control. Using the mobile application, customization becomes quick and intuitive. After connecting through Bluetooth, you can upload designs and change them within seconds. This makes it perfect for people who like to refresh their style regularly or react to different moods and occasions. What makes this backpack stand out is its practical design. The spacious main compartment easily fits laptops, tablets, and books, while multiple internal pockets help you organize smaller items like keys and wallets. Everything has its place, making it ideal for both daily commuting and travel. One of its most unique features is the expandable storage. A hidden layer at the bottom can be opened to create enough space for a motorcycle helmet. This makes it especially appealing for riders who need both convenience and storage in one solution. The build quality is equally impressive. The 3D hard shell exterior is waterproof and protects your belongings from harsh conditions. Add in adjustable straps, reflective elements for visibility, and breathable padding, and you get a backpack that is comfortable, durable, and highly functional. Number 3. DIVOOM Pixoo M. The DIVOOM Pixoo M backpack offers a unique take on LED backpacks by focusing on pixel art creativity. Instead of a large display, it features a 16 by 16 LED panel that specializes in charming, retro-style visuals. This gives it a distinctive look that stands out in a different way compared to larger screens. The real magic happens through its mobile application. You can design your own pixel art, upload custom creations, or explore a massive library of designs shared by a global community. With thousands of available artworks, you will never run out of inspiration. It is perfect for those who enjoy creativity and want to be part of a larger artistic network. Despite its artistic focus, the backpack does not compromise on functionality. It includes a dedicated compartment for smaller laptops and a roomy main section for everyday essentials. Hidden pockets add an extra layer of organization and security, which is always a welcome feature. In terms of portability, this backpack is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry throughout the day. The durable polyester material ensures long-term use without adding unnecessary weight. It also delivers several hours of LED display time when connected to a power bank. The DIVOOM Pixoo M is ideal for creative individuals who appreciate a blend of art and practicality. It is less about bold advertising and more about personal expression through pixel design. Number 2. Sacamain LED Backpack. The Sacamain LED Backpack is built for those who live life on the move, especially urban riders. This backpack combines style, innovation, and real-world practicality into one impressive package. It is not just designed to carry your belongings. It is designed to enhance your lifestyle. One of its biggest strengths is its expandable capacity. It easily accommodates a full-size motorcycle helmet along with your daily essentials. This makes it incredibly convenient for riders who need a reliable storage solution without compromising on space. The LED features take things to another level. You can display scrolling text, create custom graffiti, or activate rhythm mode that syncs with your music. It even allows short video playback and real-time screen projection. These features turn your backpack into an interactive display that can adapt to your mood or environment. Durability is another key highlight. Made from waterproof Oxford fabric with a leather film finish, it is designed to handle daily wear and light rain with ease. This ensures your belongings stay protected while maintaining a sleek and modern look. This backpack is clearly made for bold individuals who want to stand out. Whether you are commuting, riding, or just exploring the city, it offers a perfect mix of storage, creativity, and durability. Number 1. Flyleaf LED Backpack. Taking the top spot is the Flyleaf LED waterproof backpack, and it earns this position by delivering excellence in every category. This backpack is a perfect blend of advanced technology, stylish design, and everyday practicality. The LED display is fully customizable, allowing you to showcase text, patterns, images, and animated graphics with ease. Controlled through a dedicated mobile application, you can update your display anytime directly from your smartphone. This makes it not only a personal expression tool but also a powerful option for branding or promotion. What truly sets this backpack apart is its comfort and durability. The waterproof construction ensures your belongings stay safe in all weather conditions. Meanwhile, the ergonomic shoulder straps are designed to reduce strain, making it comfortable even during long periods of use. The thoughtful design continues with its breathable back panel and honeycomb cooling system. These features promote airflow and reduce heat buildup, which is especially useful during long commutes or travel. It keeps you comfortable while carrying heavier loads. Every detail of this backpack feels refined and purposeful. It is built for people who want innovation without sacrificing comfort or reliability. Whether you are heading to work, school, or an adventure, this backpack delivers on all fronts. So that was our list of the best LED backpacks available right now. From creative displays to practical storage, each one offers something unique. But which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe for more exciting tech reviews and comparisons.